Here's how to instantly fix knee arthritis pain when going up and down stairs. Now, going upstairs is slightly different than going downstairs. I'll tell you all about that in a second, but there's a mantra that I need you to think about whenever you're going up and down stairs. It's a way of thinking. Here's the first part. It's a two-part mantra. Number one is toes out and knees out. That's the first part of the mantra. So toes out and knees out. I'll tell you what that means here in a second. And then the second part is glutes. So toes out, knees out, and glutes. The reason for your toes being pointed out and your knees being pointed out is because that aligns your foot and your knee in a way where it's gonna reduce pressures in your knee joint. A lot of people point their knees straight forward, and so their knees tend to come forward or even cave in a little bit, or they'll have their feet a little bit turned out, but their knees wanna come in. Whenever you do that, you could try it if you want. It just adds an uncomfortable pressure to your knee joints. And if that's the way that you're used to going up and down stairs, you're going to aggravate your knees every time you go up or down stairs. So just start with toes out, knees out. Then the glutes. When you're using your glutes properly, you have to be thinking about your glutes and making them work during the stair climbing or the stair descending. If you can make your glutes work, then you're going to immediately take pressure off your knee joints as well. So let me tell you how this works going downstairs, and then I'll show you upstairs. So setting my toes out, knees out. When I'm gonna go downstairs, the leg that stays behind on the stair above, so in this case, it's gonna be my left leg right here, the glute on that leg has to be doing the work to control my descent. And then it alternates to the other side. So you land with your toe and your knee out a little bit, and then as I step down to go down here, my glute on my right leg now is going to be controlling the descent. Now, it's not going to be 100% my glute. I do feel some of my thigh muscles working too, but if you can make your glutes work better, you're gonna take some of the work away from your quads and your hamstrings, and it's going to put less pressure through your knee joints. And if you can practice this real slow so that you're using your glute every time you come down, then you're going to be in a position where you're tremendously reducing the pressures going through your knee joint. So that's going down. You have to use the glute of the leg that's staying behind on the step above. Now going up is similar but slightly different. Now you're gonna use the glute of the leg that's climbing the stair above. Let me tell you what I mean.
Pardon the interruption. I want to tell you about our knee arthritis recovery program. This program is completely focused on fixing the root problem that's putting too much pressure through your knee joint and setting up osteoarthritis. There's 3 components to this program. The first is a curriculum. It's me walking you through the 4 phases of recovery. In the first one, that's when you're really stiff and painful and you maybe can't get around very well, all the way to the last phase where you're doing maintenance work and you're feeling fantastic, able to get around and potentially even exercise. That's a big section of the program. A second section of the program is weekly live group coaching, where me and my staff are on Zoom talking to you, answering questions so that you're never stuck. And then the third component is a private community where you can ask questions and my team is getting to you throughout the week, as well as learn from others and see their questions and their wins so you can get encouragement along the way. Go check out the program. Back to the video.
So if I'm gonna step up right here, my right leg's coming up, then I'm gonna come up with the toes out, knees out, toes angled out, and my knees over my foot, more or less. I have to move it out enough for me to feel like I wanna use the glute of that leg. So as I lean forward and put pressure through that foot to use that leg, I am tightening this glute to use it to propel me up. And then when I place my foot down on the other side, toe out, knee out, now I'm gonna use this glute to tighten and squeeze as I go up. So you should be alternating glute contractions as you come up. Let me show that again in real time here as I come up. Glute, 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 glute. And then as I come down in real time, it should look like this: glute, 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 glute. Every single step should be ideally glute driven. Now, you might do this technique and find that your knee still hurts even though you're doing toes out, knees out, and you're able to use your glutes well. If you're able to do all that, then the problem is usually that you need more strength. Usually your glutes aren't strong enough to control your body, because if you think about it, It is a one-legged lunge. You're lunging down with one leg, or a one-legged squat, whichever exercise you want to call it, but you're bending your knee and your hip while controlling your body on one leg. It's kind of an advanced move. If you don't have good glute strength, then you're going to call on your thigh muscles, which is going to pressurize your knee joint. So you might need to work on your glute strength for just a bit and then come back to using the stairs with your glutes strong enough to control going up and control going down. Now, if you can't even fire your glutes, like you try to get your glutes to work, but your thigh muscles work instead, then you have to deal with that problem, which is you have to go practice tightening your glutes and figuring out in your head and within your muscles how to get your glute to work independently of your thigh.
Okay, I want to tell you about our knee arthritis recovery program. This program is specifically for people that have knee arthritis, whether you've been formally diagnosed, you've had an x-ray or an MRI and the doctor told you that you have knee arthritis, or you suspect you have it. And it doesn't matter how severe it is, if you've had it just mild, grade 1, some doctors will tell you, or if it's more on the severe end. If you have tried exercises and advice and tips that I've given you through our videos here, then chances are you have benefited from it because this stuff works. Chances are even better that you're going to get tremendous improvements if you join this program. And let me just tell you how it is real quick, how the program's set up. It's a membership program. There's different tiers of this. On the first tier, it's group coaching, along with the whole curriculum of 40 plus, I think it's approaching 50 videos now showing you how to do it. So you can just go through the program, watch the videos, and have massive improvements, but you also get access to group coaching where I'm on the call with you, me and my coaches, and you get to ask us questions so that you don't get stuck through this program. And then you also have the option to get our higher tier, which is one-to-one coaching with our recovery coaches, but you still get the group coaching too, and of course you get the whole curriculum as part of that package. So go check out the link nearby here to learn more about the knee arthritis recovery program, and I hope to see you in the program on our coaching calls.
Hey, if you want to learn how to make walking less painful on your arthritic knees, I talk about all the details because there's some intricacies with walking, just like I showed with the stair climbing. I detail it all in this video right here. Check it out.